Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Interfacing with USB devices in Java can be done using libraries that provide access to the USB communication protocols. One of the most commonly used libraries for this purpose is the Java USB, javax.usb, library. This library allows Java applications to communicate with USB devices in a platform-independent manner. ### prerequisites. 1. Java Development Kit, JDK, make sure you have the JDK installed on your machine. 2. Java USB library, you need to include the Java USB library in your project. You can download it from the Java USB, https://usb4java.org, website, or use Maven to include it in your project. ### setting up your project. If you are using Maven, you can add the following dependency to your pom.xml. ### basic concepts. USB device represents the USB hardware you want to communicate with. USB interface, a USB device can have multiple interfaces. Each interface can represent a different functionality of the device. Endpoints, endpoints are channels for communication between the host and the device. ### example code. Below is a simple example demonstrating how to list all connected USB devices and get information about each device using the USB4 Java library. ### explanation of the code. 1. Initialize the USB subsystem, the libusb.init, context, initializes the USB library. 2. Get device list, libusb.getDeviceList, context, device list, retrieves the list of connected USB devices. 3. Iterate through devices, each device is processed in a loop where the device descriptor is obtained, which contains information such as vendor ID, product ID, etc. 4. Print device information, the information about each device is printed to the console. 5. Free device list and exit, after processing, the device list is freed, and the USB subsystem is deinitialized. ### running the example. 1. Ensure your Java environment is set up correctly. 2. Include the USB4 Java library in your project. 3. Compile and run the example code. You should see a list of connected USB devices printed to the console. ### conclusion. The USB4 Java library provides a robust way to interact with USB devices in Java. This example demonstrates how to list connected devices and retrieve their properties. Depending on your requirements, you can extend this code to communicate with specific devices, send and receive data, and handle various USB protocols. Always refer to the official documentation for more advanced functionality and usage.